Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. Today's video we are diving into something super cool geometric wall paint design ideas. If you are looking to add some fantastic vibes to your home with the splash of science and you have the for the treat. What excited for is geometric print. Well, it's not only just a funny names but imagine combination cutting edges technology and with stunning modern designs. Geometric paint can be used for creative innovative magical surface with the surface of pin notes pictures or even a magical decor, and it's not only practical but also give a contemporary aesthetic look to your space. Let's start with the basic designs. Geometric paint contains try practically that can be magically changed when applied the surface. It's a turn your wall into the magic friendly zone. Sound fun, right? But now before you get the designs, a few ideas. Next is a this is one for perfect for if you want to clear modern look. Use magnetic primer to create a grid pattern across your wall. Then across it's a sheet. Paint the grid lines in your favorite metallic shade like gold and a silver. Once you're done, you can stick stylish wallpaper with attractive magical decor, photos, or even a leaves message using magical letters. It's a fantastic and stylish ideas. And the abstract ideas. This is a where you can readily up creative. Apply the magnetic paint with the random or abstract shape like a triangle, circle, or even a orange vibes. The ideas is to keep your shape bold and free flow. You can then use with shapes like interactive art surface, pin out the colorful magic piece, the match of your room theme, and change them with the whether you feel like it. You does not live in a chalkboard wall. It's a ideas who was to this is a perfect for the kitchen, office, kids room, or even a living room. The right notes shorts all about the aesthetic. Finally, let's talk about the really fun ideas with this idea. You can turn your wall into the photo gallery by applying these paints. This is best way to decor your home with these interesting decor ideas. So whether you want stick and modern designs, something functional and integrate geometric wall paint, open on the whole new world creativity. The best part is you can switch things everything in the want without making a permanent change with your wall. If you found this video inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more home decor tips and ideas. And if you try any of this design, drop the comment section and share with your photos. Thanks for watching us today. We will see you in next time in next video. Keep decorating and styling your dream houses with these interesting decor items. Thank you and have a nice day.